Hi guys, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creation by Favi. Today I have a quick and easy DIY for you guys like always. So let's get started. So you will need 3 wooden boxes from DollarTree and some antiques wax from Walmart and some white metallic paint. You can use any white paint. I had those in hand, so that's why I used some blue acrylic paint and also red acrylic paint. And of course we're going to use some hot glue and some brushes. So let's go ahead and get creative. So I basically started removing the label and then pulling apart the entire wooden box. I use a flat screwdriver just to make it easy, just to pull it out the piece, and then you just press a little bit and came off right away. You're going to repeat the same step with the other 2 boxes, and then we're ready to work with. When I had my wood boxes ready to go, then I use my acrylic paint with 1 square, and then I use the white paint within another 2 squares. Although I use this metallic paint because that's what I had in hand, but chalk paint would be better and quick to dry. So because that, I only used like 4 coats to get the white color that I was looking for. So then I will use the wax to stain the frame, just like so. You have to let it dry, but if you're impatient like me, you can use the hair dryer. So then I use one of those plastic stars for my kids' toys, and I use it as a stencil. But if you have stickers, it will be easy. So then I just place it all over, repeating the same step, and use it as a stencil. Just like so. Then I ended using the brushes because I wasn't happy with the color, because like I just said before, that paint wasn't what I was expecting at the first place. So then I used the blue paint just to fix the mess, and voila, nothing happened, all clean. So then with the second square, I use some tape to create a vertical layers or lines, I don't know how I call that. And I use the red acrylic paint just like so, and then I repeat the same step to end it with something like that. Then with the last one, I use some stickers from DollarTree, and I use it as a stencil. Then I use the red paint to trace it all over. I actually use just a red marker to trace the number, but honestly, I didn't thought about that until I done. Then I use the flat screwdriver to remove the sticker. At this point, you can leave it like that if you like it, but I went for fill it out the entire number with the red paint. So then I use a marker to write the TH, and that's how it looks like. And now this is my favorite part. Now we're going to put it back together using some hot glue on the edges to reinforce, and we almost done. Just like so, and then I repeat the step with the other two frames, and we're all done. So you will end it with something like that. I honestly love this DIY, and I really hope you guys too. So that's it for today, and happy 4th of July everyone. And thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and be part of this family. See you guys next time. Ciao.